Portable wheelchair ramps are essential for enabling access where built-in ramps don't exist or are impractical to install. They offer flexibility for temporary or travel use, and good designs balance load capacity, surface grip, hinge durability, and portability. This review analyzes 5 models with prices ranging from $79.98 to $249.99, covering 2 brands, Focnuo Tool and VNN, and a mix of 2-foot, 3-foot, 5-foot, and 6-foot configurations.
Product number 1. Focnuo 2-foot portable wheelchair ramp. This 2-foot ramp from Focnuo Tool is designed for small height differentials, 2 to 6 inches max usable height, and weighs 10.9 pounds with a foldable form factor and a built-in carrying handle. The ramp uses an aluminum surface with a textured, non-slip finish and includes extended guide rails and baffles at ends for safety, plus reflective strips for visibility in low light. It supports up to 800 pounds and features a stainless steel hinge for durability, with a compact folded size suitable for quick storage. Performance and use. In practice, the 2-foot length means steeper approach angles, so it's best for shallow thresholds or step-ups where the height is clearly within the recommended 2 to 6 inches. The extended rails help prevent wheelchairs from rolling off the edges, and the reflective strips improve visibility when used at night or in dim environments. However, the short length can cause higher ramp incline, which may stress wheelchairs with longer wheelbases or tight turning radii. The note about potential slight sinking during use is common with shorter aluminum ramps and should be considered for threshold consistency and ground flatness.
Product number 2. Focnuo 3-feet portable wheelchair ramp. The 3-foot version expands to 35.8 inches long by 31.5 inches wide with a 2-inch height profile and folds to a more travel-friendly 36 inches by 14.5 inches by 3.2 inches. With an 800-pound capacity, it adds more gradual incline and extended rails at both ends, plus a double non-slip surface and reinforced hinge. This model retains the built-in carry handle for portability and is well suited for residential ramps over longer steps or curbs, where a single 2-foot ramp would be insufficient. Performance and use. The longer length reduces the incline angle for the same step height, broadening compatibility with wheelchairs and larger wheelbases. The pleated non-slip surface and extended rails improve traction and edge protection, while the stainless steel hinge supports durability in outdoor and indoor environments. Real-world use benefits include easier maneuvering on steps and smoother transitions, but users should still verify that their door clearance remains unobstructed when the ramp is fully extended.
Product number 3. The VNN Portable Wheelchair Ramp 6 feet. The 6-foot VNN ramp offers a significantly longer platform for very tall thresholds or outdoor accessibility needs. It is a foldable aluminum ramp with a seamless center hinge design intended to reduce tripping hazards and improve wheel passage continuity. It includes stainless steel hinges, baffles, reflective stickers, and top-bottom transition plates for ground compatibility. The weight is 35.5 pounds, which reflects its longer length, but it maintains an 800-pound load rating and foldability to aid transport and storage. Performance and use. The longer ramp reduces incline angle dramatically, making it suitable for higher door thresholds or steps up to roughly 18 inches in height, depending on exact site geometry. The seamless center joint helps avoid snagging of wheels and has protective features against pet paws or debris. However, at 72 inches long, it is less portable than shorter ramps, and storage space and vehicle compatibility should be considered. Installation on wooden platforms is possible with complementary screws, increasing versatility for home garages or decks. Product number 4. VNN Portable Wheelchair Ramp 5 feet. This 5-foot VNN ramp sits between the 6-foot and shorter options, offering a 60-inch length with a 2-inch height profile and an 800-pound capacity. It features the same seamless hinge design, double non-slip surface, and corrosion-resistant stainless hinges alongside baffles and reflective stickers. It's designed to be portable with a foldable form and a comfortable handle, balancing length with practicality for moderately high thresholds and frequent use scenarios. Performance and use. The 5-foot ramp optimizes between incline and portability, making it suitable for home entry ramps where a 4 to 6 inch to 15-inch height is common. The top-bottom transition plates improve ground fit, while the overall weight, estimated 30 pounds, remains manageable for frequent users or caregivers. As with the 6-foot model, ensure your doorway and landing configurations align with the ramp's length to avoid overhang and clearance issues.
Product number 5. Fashnu 5-foot portable wheelchair ramp. The 5-foot Fashnu option is aimed at users needing a longer yet still portable solution with a 60-inch length, 29-inch width, and a 2-inch rise range. It includes the same robust 800-pound load rating, a foldable architecture, a built-in handle, and a stainless steel hinge. The 5-foot length offers a gentler incline than the 2-foot and 3-foot models while staying within a reasonable transport envelope for typical caregivers. Performance and use. The 5-foot ramp is well suited for medium height thresholds, roughly 5 inches to 15 inches as recommended, and should accommodate most wheelchairs and scooters without excessive incline. The longer ramp also benefits from the same safety features: baffles, reflective strips, and extended rails. As with all longer ramps, users should verify door clearance and ensure the threshold ground is level to prevent wheelie or edge escape events.